Imagine this. You live in the United States. You work hard. You pay rent, car payments, credit cards, groceries. Your family depends on your income. Now ask yourself one question. Backhand index pointing right, if something happens to you tomorrow, will your family be financially okay or financially broken? Most people avoid this question, but smart people prepare for it. And that's exactly what life insurance is about. In this video, I'll explain life insurance in the USA in the simplest way possible. No confusing terms, no sales talk, just clear, honest information for beginners. So make sure you watch till the end. This knowledge can literally protect your family's future. What is life insurance? Simple explanation. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a small amount of money regularly. This is called a premium. If you pass away, the insurance company pays a large amount of money to the people you choose, usually your spouse, children, or parents. This money helps your family. Heavy checkmark pay bills. Heavy checkmark cover loans and debts. Heavy checkmark handle medical or funeral expenses. Heavy checkmark maintain their lifestyle. Think of life insurance as a financial backup plan. You may never use it, but if your family needs it and you don't have it, the consequences can be devastating. And here's an important truth. Backhand index pointing right, life insurance is cheapest when you are young and healthy. Waiting too long can make it expensive or unavailable. The United States is expensive. Medical care is not free. Housing is costly. Funerals alone can cost $8,000 to $15,000. Now imagine losing the main earning person in the family. The income stops, but the bills don't. Mortgages, car loans, credit cards, education expenses, everything continues. That's why in the USA, life insurance is not optional. It is a core part of financial planning. It gives peace of mind. You live with confidence knowing that, no matter what happens, your family is protected. There are three main types. Keycap one-term life insurance, best for most people. Heavy checkmark coverage for 10, 20, or 30 years. Heavy checkmark very affordable. Heavy checkmark high coverage at low cost. Perfect for young families, parents, homeowners, beginners. Backhand index pointing right, this is the best starting option for most people. Keycap 2 whole life insurance. Heavy checkmark lifetime coverage. Heavy checkmark builds cash value. Crossmark much more expensive, usually for long-term or estate planning. Keycap 3 universal life insurance. Heavy checkmark flexible premiums. Heavy checkmark investment linked. Crossmark complex for beginners. Not recommended unless you fully understand it. A simple rule used in the USA. Backhand index pointing right, 10 to 15 times your annual income. Example, if you earn $60,000 per year, you need around $600,000 to $900,000 coverage. This helps with heavy checkmark income replacement, heavy checkmark debts and loans, heavy checkmark children's education, heavy checkmark inflation and emergencies. The goal is not survival. The goal is financial stability. You should consider life insurance if you are heavy checkmark a parent, heavy checkmark married or engaged, heavy checkmark a homeowner, heavy checkmark a business owner, heavy checkmark supporting family members. Even single people can benefit by locking in low rates early. Remember this, backhand index pointing right, don't buy life insurance because of fear. Backhand index pointing right, buy it because of love and responsibility. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this information. Comment, insurance, if you want the next video on best life insurance companies in the USA.